See the one trying to move over the log?
Yep. Talk about your all-terrain vehicles. Over here digging tunnels to Africa. These guys are neat.
Oh, that's funny.
Let me get a close-up of this one's face. Hey, little guy. What you doing, sleeping? Just digging burrows. That's what they do. Oh, wow. I didn't even realize how deep that burrow over there is. They've been working on that one for a while.
With the one in the middle?
Yeah. Team effort over there.
That one's got the smart idea of just lay behind the shed.
Yep. This guy right here is big enough and at that size, strong enough, Jennifer could ride him almost. Wouldn't be good for him, but I'm saying as far as power.
Yeah. This one's trying to barrel and it's not going anywhere.
Well, yeah, he's trying to burrow against the fence. So, but look at the fence right there, Lise. They will, like he said, they'll get through it. They'll break this fence.
All right.
Oh, Lise,
Yeah.
look at look at down in the hole. He's completely underneath. You see dirt coming out of the hole now. But, all right.